Hello, folks. I'm doing this on two different devices because my last video didn't come out too well, and I'm using my iPhone 14 and my 360. See which one comes out better. Anyway, I got another review for you, or I got a review for you. This is the Vevor refrigerator, 12 volt, and it has a digital display on it. It even has an app on it. Let's see if I can show you the app. The apps are right here. It's not connected yet. So what we're going to do here, let me show you the inside of it too first. You got a basket right here. You got two departments, one for a fridge and one for a freezer. You got a little light back here that cuts on. I don't have it plugged in right now. I will have. Now, if you use the large part for a fridge, the bottom part there will be like 50 degrees, more or less. And if you use the big part for a freezer, then the small part will be like a fridge. So let me get this going here. Okay, now I'm going to plug it in. I got two thermometers here. We're going to put this one in the freezer. And this one, what I call a cool box. Cool department. So here we go. Comes with a power supply box for 110. Comes with the 12 volt. This power supply here knocks it down 110 down to 12 volts. Okay. There's a plug-in in the back here for it. Okay, now it's cutting on. It says 73 degrees. Even got the temperature in it. I got it on Eco full. The Eco mode shows a full battery. Yes, it does have a battery. It does not have a battery in it. If you plug in your vehicle, it shows how low your battery is. I'm gonna get this up to temperature first, and then I'm gonna use these jumpers here, so you can see how long it'll last on them. Okay, 73 degrees. Let me start my timer. Okay, timer started. See, I'm gonna cool this off first before I hook up the portable jump starts to it to see how long they'll last on it. So I'll be back when it gets down to cool. Actually, let me do this here. Okay, it's set for 36 degrees. That's what it's set for. Okay, I got this thing running for almost 18 minutes. It's down to 47 degrees. And it's pretty quiet. You can't hardly hear it. And while that's still running, I'm gonna see if I can hook up this Bluetooth in this phone. I got it hooked on my other phone, but I'm using that for recording. Yeah, hit start scanning fridge. Shows the fridge right there. See, the fridge has Bluetooth on it that you work with this app. Oh, it says press the setting button on the fridge. Gotta be this button right here. Okay, now see. Oh. I got it right here. I'm trying to use 2 different videos here. It's set for 36 degrees, but it's 45 right now. Oh, it just went to 44. It says 45 here though, and it's 1 degree off there. This is just slow transmitting. Now I got it set for Fahrenheit. If I can set it for the other one. Let's see. Oh, it's can't. There's a way to do it. Anyway, you can adjust the temperature of it right here with the slider. There's a slider right here. You can just, if you want it colder or warmer, you don't have to be at this button here. But it only works so far away though. And it's on low. You got low setting, medium, and high. High uses more power. I got it on low right now. I can set on high. You can't set it just to tell you what it is. You can go here. Anyway, I got to set it for low. Because when we out doing the, we're out camping or something, we use the charger. I don't want to use up a whole lot of juice. Right now it's 41 degrees. And it's been 20 minutes. I got it set for 36. So in about 30 minutes, it should get down to 36. We'll just see. Yeah, you got the eco mode there. You got the lock button here. You got the temperature there. You can set it Fahrenheit or centigrade. I call it centigrade. It's not the right word for it anyway. You got unpairing. Okay, it says 39 right there. Well, this one says 45 still, but that's 39. You got a power button here. Well, this is not upgrading right now on this phone here, but it's 38 degrees. I got it set for 36. And we've been running for 22 minutes. So less than a half an hour to get down to temperature, 37 degrees now. And I tell you how much juice it's getting right here. It's getting 14 volts, 14.1 volts. It bounces back and forth there. Can't really hear it running. It's not even vibrating. So what I'm going to do next, get this box here. Oh, by the way, before I do this, that says 37. That's the big box temperature. I got a thermometer here. It says can't hardly read that one there. But anyway, I just use the one in the back here. 65 degrees in the back. The big part's freezing. small part is just cool. Okay, 36, it just shut down. 23 minutes. 23 minutes. Now, what I'm going to do here, I'm going to plug this into a 12-volt system here. I'm going to unplug it. That plug is tight. It's reading 34 right there. So I'm going to reset this timer here. Reset this timer. Now that battery is down to 0 anyway. Okay. So I'm using this yellow one right now. We're going to see how long it takes. What it does, it goes down a few degrees before it cuts off, and then doesn't cut back on until it warms up a few degrees. I got it set for 36. It went down 3 degrees, and then it'll probably go 3 degrees above that before it cuts back on. It says it's using 12.5 volts. It's on eco. So we'll be back. I'll wait for a few hours. I'm gonna cut the camera off, and then we'll see how much juice is using out of the battery pack. Okay, I'm back now. Been running for 44 minutes. You can see there. It's not warm or anything. .38°F, 4 bars on the battery. It's only 18 amp hour battery in it. I replaced the battery in it. Should have kept the old one. The old one had a pump on, air pump on it. But I didn't know that you couldn't recharge the newer jump starts in the vehicles anymore. Let me check this gauge here, the meter. And that's reading 12.5 volts on the meter on the jump start. And 11.9 on the cooler. Well, I'll be back later. Try to run this as long as I can, see how long it'll run off that jump start. And remember, it's only good to keep the cooler cool, not to start it from the beginning. First you get the cooler nice and cold, and then you can hook the jump start on it to maintain the coldness of it. It's down to 37 degrees now. And I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I'm gonna stop my timer. It's been about 7 hours, 58 minutes. You see that? It's 37 degrees. The battery of the jumper is 11.9 volts. Still got 4 out of 5 bars. It's 73 degrees in here. Let's see what this jumper scale says here. No, that meter there is reading 12.5 volts. But this says it has 11.9 volts. Now, I realize it's not really hot in here. And so 73 degrees in here, that's 22.7 Celsius. And this lid hasn't been open all day. That back part is 47.8 Fahrenheit. And this one here says 30 degrees in the freezer part. I'm going to do another video during the summer. This is October 6th. This is autumn. So I'm going to do another one in the summer. And this time I'm going to not cool it off from the AC in the house. I'm going to just go straight off the jumper. Now remember, this jumper here only got a 18 amp hour battery in it. It's a real small battery. This thing kept cool for 8 hours. I'm really impressed with this thing. I really am. Thought about doing it with that bigger battery and see what would happen. Think I will. So I'm going to end this video here right now, and then I'm going to have another one using that bigger battery and see what goes on. But stay tuned, subscribe, and by the summer when it gets hot out, you know, over 90 degrees Fahrenheit, which will be over 32.2 Celsius, and we'll see what that actually does in that hot air. I'm really impressed with this. Can't go wrong with this. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep coming back. Thanks for watching.